Hi there. Welcome back to Mayankal. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into something exciting. How to develop an app like Bluesky. Bluesky is a popular decentralized social media platform that's fast, private, and user-controlled. Want to build something similar? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Developing an app like Bluesky is a complex process, but don't worry, I'll simplify it for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what makes Bluesky unique. Bluesky stands out because it's built on something called a decentralized protocol, specifically the AT protocol. This means users have control over their data, and the platform isn't controlled by just one company. If you're thinking of creating a similar app, you need to decide if you'll use an existing decentralized protocol or create your own. For beginners, using existing frameworks like ActivityPub or AT protocol can save you time and resources. Step 2. Plan the core features. Every app needs to solve a problem or meet a need. For a platform like Bluesky, here are the key features you should focus on. 1. User profiles. 2. Post sharing. 3. Decentralized control. Integrate protocols to make the app decentralized. 4. Privacy and security. Think of these as your app's foundation. Once these are in place, you can add more advanced features like trending topics or chat groups. Step 3. Choose the right technology stack. To build an app like this, you'll need 1. Front-end development. Use frameworks like React Native or Flutter for a smooth user interface. 2. Back-end development. Node.js or Python works great for managing the server side. 3. Database. Go for scalable options like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. If you're working with decentralization, learning about blockchain and distributed ledger technologies will be a big plus. Step 4. Build, test, and launch. Start by creating a prototype and launch it, and grab the customer signal and keep on updating and improving your app. Remember, the key is to keep improving your app based on user feedback. If you're looking to turn your app ideas into reality, our team of experienced developers is here to help. We specialize in creating user-friendly, scalable, and secure applications tailored to your needs. Whether you want to build a social media platform like Bluesky or any other innovative app. Thanks for watching, Mayankal. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep building.